Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can get the mod menu in the Among Us game, and this mod menu is gonna be for the PC and for the Android devices. And you see, here's the mod menu and I have so many options. I have no kill countdown. I have the best one is always the imposter, so I can be imposter every single game. And there's like lots of options with this mod menu, and you can have this mod menu on your Android device and on your PC. And I will link down the iOS tutorial in the description, and you guys can check that. So let's just get into the game and show you how this works. So I'm gonna start the game and I will be the imposter, and I can kill everyone within few seconds. It's that amazing, and I highly do not recommend you to use this on your main where you have purchased the skins and stuff like that, because this is absolutely bannable. Okay, you're gonna get a ban at some point, so just don't do this on your main device. And yeah, and by the way, the download link is gonna be in the description for this Among Us, that is the modded one. And here we are. I'm literally killing everyone within few seconds and I won. And I'm gonna tell you guys, this is no fun at all. Like, playing like this is zero fun. I'm just making the video. I'm just gonna be honest, okay? I'm just making this video just to get some views, and that's that. And I mean, if you want to try this, just do it for fun with your friends. That will be okay. But doing this in main, like, you know, in public match with other players is no fun. Like, it's just gonna ruin the game. So I'm just saying this because that's how I feel. I mean, I played few games and it was literally zero fun playing with the mods and stuff like that. So yeah, this is how you can get the mod menu in the Among Us game, cheat menu, mod menu, whatever you call it. And I'm just gonna say, try it, it's fun, but not that much though. So yeah, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.
In front of us, so can we just stop?